How to play Roblox on Linux. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So if you're trying to play Roblox on a Linux machine, you might have to run into some trouble, especially with the Byron update making things difficult. A lot of people think that it's just about impossible now, but don't worry, I've got a really fast and easy method that will let you back into Roblox on your Linux computer. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is go to now.gg Roblox. Once the website loads, you will want to click on the plain browser button, and now sometimes this might require you to watch short ad before the game actually loads. It's usually pretty quick, so just sit through it and you will be fine. Just like that, you will be able to play Roblox directly on your Linux computer. Now be aware that it might be a little bit laggy at first, but this is usually just when the entire game is loading in and all the assets are being downloaded. But after that initial loading period, the game should work really well, and you should have a smooth gaming experience as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.